Easy abstract gel polish design.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to share this set with you guys. So I'm going to start off by sharing the products that I used. Of course, I used the top and base coat from the gel polish. I also used White Out, which of course is a brilliant white. I used Dusty Pink, which is a beautiful deep mauvey kind of colour. I used Peach Perfect. I also used Summer Blaze. I used the dotting tool set to create the dots and abstract like polka dot kind of patterns. I love this dotting tool set, it's so cute. I also used the stainless steel mixing palette. You do get a spatula with this as well. It's perfect for mixing gels and acrylics and paints on there. I'll also be using the rose gold 10-piece set. And as the base colour, I'll be using Negligee, which is this absolutely stunning neutral pinky nude shade. It's absolutely so freaking cute. You can do one layer or two, depending on how opaque you want it to look. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a coat over all of the nails and then cure that in the lamp. So when using Negligee, it is a sheer coat at the first application. However, as you leave the polish to self-level a moment whilst I go ahead and do the other nails, you'll see that it levels out really nicely and the coverage is super even. I honestly just love this colour and it's a perfect shade for a lot of like base shades, if you know what I'm saying. So you could use this neutral colour as a base to many different designs. I think it's perfect to have a staple colour like this in your collection. Don't forget as well guys to subscribe and also check out my Facebook and Instagram. I'll be sure to leave them linked down below along with all the products that I'm using in today's video. So over the top of the Negligee, one coat only, I've cured that in the lamp and I'm going to come in with Strawberry Glow, and this colour, shimmer, whatever you want to call it, is absolutely insane guys. I love it. So any of our gel polishes or any gel polishes you already have in your collection, this just completely transforms the look of it. It looks so stunning over dark and light colours and it's just a must have. Honestly, absolutely love it. So I'm just applying a nice even coat over all of the nails and then I'm going to go ahead and do a full cure in the lamp. But just before I go ahead and cure that, I wanted to show you a little bit of a close-up of how that looks. How stunning is that? It's just completely transformed that base colour that I've used. And I would definitely wear this as it is. I've also worn Strawberry Glow over my natural nails and honestly, just with a clear base, it looked absolutely stunning. It just gave them a healthy, beautiful glow. So I'm moving on to the next step. I already cured that colour in the light for a full 30 seconds. I didn't do 60. It was just a 30-second cure. And I'm coming in with Dusty Pink and all I am doing is going ahead and just placing random brush marks. So you don't need to use your brush super dry for this, but you don't want to put a lot of product on there. So kind of just have enough colour that you're going to get that payoff onto the nail. And you just want to randomly start to fill in the tip of that nail. Just be comfortable with the fact that there is no right or wrong way of putting this design together. Just choose some colours that complement each other nicely and just begin to layer them up. And once you've finished and you just add that top coat on, everything just seems to flow. And it's just a beautiful technique to have and a beautiful technique to be able to offer to your clients, because this can be done in a variety of colours. You can add all different foils, glitters, anything you want. You can do it on long or short nails, and you also don't have to do every nail the same. So you could pair this with just a solid colour or a full glitter nail. It would look absolutely beautiful, but I love how it turned out. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just layering the colours up. You want to make sure that you are curing between each layer so that you don't get the colours kind of merging together, because that would give a completely different look. It still would look cool as heck and funky, so definitely one to try. I've just popped some of the Midnight black gel polish onto my stainless steel mixing palette, and I'm using the dotting tool. I'm choosing the smaller one, and I'm just going to go ahead and place some dots randomly. So the way I'm focusing these dots is I'm placing it over the lighter colours, so mainly over the whiter areas overlapping onto the orange and peaches. I think it just looks super pretty and super gorgeous, and it really just adds that extra layer and detail to the entire set, and looks like it's taken so long to create it. It looks stunning. So as I mentioned just on the screen there, all of the products are available on my website, and I'll be sure to list that down below for you guys. And again, if you haven't already, a nice gentle reminder to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So the Nailmate gel polish dries with a tacky layer, so I'm able to just come in with a small piece of the gold foil from the rose gold foil set, and I'm just gently tacking that to the nail and pulling it off quickly, and this kind of snapping motion helps the foil to transfer onto the nail, and I'm just doing it with a light pressure and randomly over the set. I don't want to cover up all those details that I've just added, but I really want the gold to kind of accentuate the whole design and just be a bit of a feature piece and add a bit more texture to the whole feel. Next, now that I've finished applying all of my designs and details and everything is cured in the lamp, I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat and cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. We do have the lamps available on the website, and I'll be sure to link the information section down below so you can go check it out. We've got a nice section on the website where we popped all the details and information on all the different features, so you can really look into the product before you go ahead and make the decision on whether you want to invest in that or not. Okay, so I do one final cure in the light, full 60 seconds to make sure everything is dry and ready to go. I add my cuticle oil, and this is the final look, guys. I am in love with how it turned out. I think it looks super cute. I hope you guys loved it too, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment down below, and as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember, you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.